So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign we go about looking at how we can pair Bluetooth speakers with our iPhone. For the purpose of this tutorial I'm using an iPhone 11 and I have the JBL Bluetooth speaker here with me. You can use the same steps for any other iPhone model or any other model of Bluetooth speaker that you may be having. The first step obviously is turning on your Bluetooth speaker. So here I turn on my JBL. And again, like you need to also activate the Bluetooth on your speaker, so which is with this icon here. So as soon as I do that, you can see that this thing here becomes blue, which means is that this device is now ready for pairing and the Bluetooth within it has been activated. So go ahead and try and do this for any other device that you might be having. Now the next thing is doing stuff on your iPhone. I head towards the iPhone settings. I scroll down until say I see Bluetooth. I toggle this to on. As soon as I do that, you will see that it starts searching for devices. And obviously, like since the Bluetooth device here is ready for pairing, that is, it is ready for being connected, it appears in the devices. I simply tap on this and you can see that it's now trying to pair and get connected. So now it's been connected. Now what will happen is, like say I have a YouTube video which I want to play. The audio from the video will be played through the speaker. So let's try this. My name is Amla and in today's Make Knowledge Free. And there you go. So obviously you have other Bluetooth things, like you can go ahead and increase the volume.
Volume issue, what I mean is that if you're using a Redmi device,
so you have navigation controls on the Bluetooth itself. And like I said, I am using a JBL speaker here. You may be having a different speaker, and you know, like this navigation controls are more or less same on any other speaker as well. So you have the volume up, the volume down, the Bluetooth on off, so other things. So like I said, you simply need to turn this on, turn the Bluetooth on so that this device is ready for pairing, and then head towards the iPhone settings. Inside settings, turn on Bluetooth. So like go ahead and turn on Bluetooth, and as soon as you do that, like it will try searching for devices which are in nearby range so that those can be paired. And once the device appears, go ahead and simply tap on it and it becomes ready for pairing. Now any video or any audio that you play, the audio will be played out through the Bluetooth device. So hopefully this all makes sense, and if it does and if it helps you, kindly consider subscribing to the channel. Please do share this with your friends and family. Also do let us know in the comment section how you find our tutorial. I mean, that really helps us know like whether it's been useful to you or not. So that's all from my side. So until next time, it's me Amlan signing off. Have a great day.